I called my manager and told her, well, actually I was on the phone with my manager, and I was like, you know, they're destroying the building, destroying the building. So in my mind immediately I thought about Super Bowl weekend, and I was like, there's no way this is just a coincidence. We immediately started to look for business owners that would allow us to paint pictures of Kaepernick. And we were like, well, how many are we gonna do? I'm like, you know, 7, since that's his jersey number. And also because 7 is a divine number, that's God's number. That means that Atlanta is the civil rights headquarters, and we obviously stand with Kaepernick and his cause. You know what I mean? Like the same thing he believes in, we believe in. I'm just really glad that, you know, other artists stepped up and, you know, filled in the gap, because I really didn't know how I was going to do 7 murals when I announced it. I didn't have anybody lined up. You know, this was sort of like I'm gonna paint 7 murals, you know.